doing so well. In this video, today I'm going to show you or talking about the Git and GitHub. In shortly, I want to explain with a presentation of GitHub, Git and GitHub. I'm showing you a little concept of GitHub and Git. First of all, you have to know what is Git and what is GitHub. Then after you have to need to use them. If you are a programmer or if you are a developer, you must need to know what is Git and what is GitHub. It is necessary for your being a professional and perfect programmer or developer. See, what is Git? Git is a version control system that allows you to track changes to your code over time. Think of it like a time machine of your project. It's like a time machine for your project. So Git Basics. If you are a programmer, you must need to know Git Basics. First of all, number one, repository. A repository is a folder that contains all the files of project and their history. It's like a central hub for your project. And number two, working directory. The working directory is where you make changes to your files. Think of it as your personal workspace. Staging area. The staging area is where you prepare changes to commit it. It's like a holding area before making changes permanent. Number 4, a commit is a snapshot of your project at a particular point in time. It's like saving a version of your project. Now it's Git repositories. There are three types of repository. Local repository. Local repository is a copy of the project on your computer. It's your personal copy of the code. Remote repository. A remote repository is a copy of the project hosted on a server. It's a shared copy of the code. And number 3, cloning a repository. Cloning a repository creates a local copy of the remote repository on your computer. Then come Git branches. There are 3 types of Git branches. Let's see. Master branches. The master branches is the main branch of your repository. Feature branch. A feature branch is a separate branch where you can work on new features without affecting the main branches. Merge. Merging is the process of combining changes from one branch into another. Then come Git Commits. 3 types of Git Commits. Number 1, stage changes. You select the files you want to include in the commit. Number 2, commit changes. You create a snapshot of the project at this point in time. First, changes. You send your local commit to remove the repository. Then come Git merging. fast forward merge and merge commit. First, Fast forward merge, a simple merge where the history is linear, and the merge commit, a merge that creates a new commit that combines the changes from multiple branches. Then come Git Remotes. Adding remote, you connect your local repository to a remote repository. Then fetching changes, you download changes from the remote repository to your local repository. Then pushing changes, you upload your local commit to the remote repository. What is GitHub? Bro, let's see what is GitHub. GitHub is a popular platform that hosts Git repositories or resources. It provides a user-friendly interface for collaborating on projects. Think of it as a social network for developers. If you are a developer, GitHub is one of the best app or best site to be prepare you as a great developer. Let's see GitHub features. There are so many features in GitHub that we cannot explain in this video. Number 1, issue tracking. GitHub provides tools for tracking bugs and feature requests. Pull requests, you propose change to the code base and collaborate with others. And come code review. You can review and comment on changes before they are merged into the main branch. Then come collaboration. GitHub fosters collaboration through features like issue, pull, request and discussions. Then come GitHub versus GitHub. Git versus GitHub. Git is a person control system while GitHub is a platform that hosts Git repositories. Git repositories. Git is the engine and GitHub is the platform. After all that, from the documents or from the information we know that GitHub is the platform where we are controlling the Git systems, or Git is the main system that where we doing all things, but GitHub is the main website for becoming a good developer or a, and that's it. I am trying to show all these things. In next video I will show the GitHub features or how to get some feature or very important features that like domain, digital octane. I'll show these things in the next video. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. I will put this information on the comment box. Please visit, and thanks for watching.